Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. These days I have started using the Atomy's Acne Clear Expert System skincare products because I've been getting lots of breakouts and acne lately, and I believe that this will work wonders for me. So I think this video will be more of a wish me luck kind of video, and also how I get ready. And along with that, I am using the Atomy herbal hair shampoo and then conditioner. It's because I believe that and our skin is very much interrelated and we have to take care of it equally. So this morning I have started using this shampoo and I love it. Especially I love the conditioner. So let's leave this aside for now and onto the skincare. Done. Okay, here. All of the instructions are given right here. See? First step, cleansing foam. I have already cleansed it. Acne Clear Expert System Foam Cleanser. So first things first, and after that, step 2 is toner. Step 3 is spot reduction, and for step 4 we have serum, and after that I have ordered this Atomy sunscreen white SPF 50 plus. Okay, this one because sunscreen is needed, is a must. So first things first, let me get my mirror. I've got this small mirror with me. See, can you see the acne? Here. I've been getting too many acne lately, and even when I don't get the breakouts, even when I don't have the bigger ones, I always get these small acne, little bumps on my forehead especially, and on my chin. So I hope this works for me. Okay, so first toner drops, close it, do this. First pat onto your skin and then you do this and do your neck. Okay, and next, using this only to my problematic areas, as in first my forehead and then a few drops on my nose, and especially this part and my chin here and my neck. Okay, I think this much will do, and gently I will rub it in. I love the smell. It's so orangey. Step for the serum. For serum though, I have to apply it everywhere. The serum bag is not that much, but it's okay. I can repurchase it if it works wonders. The Atomy sunscreen. It's shown right. Let's apply it. Sunscreen though, you have to apply it very generously because we have to work outside and our skin gets full of sun. So just apply it here. See? So that's all for Atomy skincare line. And next, on top of this, I will be applying the eyeliner. This side also. And next, the eyeliner. And for my final look. That's also easy, right? Okay, so thank you so much for watching. That's all for now. I will update you in maybe 1 week time or maybe 2 weeks. Okay, so wish me luck. Bye.
Hello guys, good morning. What's up? It's been 11 days since I've started using the Atomy skincare products and I'm loving the process. I'm loving the progress. Actually, this is my bare face. I have just washed off my face with the cleanser, Atomy cleanser, and I haven't put on my makeup. I haven't done with my skincare yet. So before I do that, I really wanted to give a very quick review. So this is my bare face. This is a close-up look. Can you see the scars here and there? Okay, so the most happy thing I am about the product is that I don't get any more, new breakouts. Yeah, that's one thing. And then the other thing is that I could see quite changes around here and there. Like the scars here, it used to be very obvious. It used to be so visible, but now it's getting a bit lighter, and I am really happy about it. So I think I'm getting a little bump right here, but that's okay. When I apply toner, I think it will just go away. So yeah, that's all for now. I'm really happy about it. I'm really excited about this journey. I hope you stay tuned. I think I will update again in a week's time or maybe in 10 days. Okay, yeah, so bye.